Hello, this is a video to install MATLAB into a Windows system. First thing you have to do is right click onto the ISO and click on mount. You will see this DVD drive with setup.exe. Here you have to double click on the setup.exe and run. Now go to the folder named crack. Go to the readme.txt and choose the product key. Click copy. Let it install Windows C++ redistributed model 64. Now once it installed, it should give you a menu. So it install both C++ 2005 and 2008 distributions, C++, because this entire MATLAB was built on C++. So if you don't have Visual Studio pre-installed, it's gonna run and install like this. And depending upon your version, it automatically selects Win64 over here and it will start MATLAB 2015 setup. So you have to copy this key from a crack folder and here use file installation fee. Click next, agree the license agreement, click next. I have the product key and paste over here. And then keep on clicking next. It is preferred that most of the installation you do offline, so just click on Wi-Fi and disconnect. And then keep on clicking next, 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 and this is how it installs.